Asus shows two smartphones with notch design at MWC 2018, the Zenfone 5 and 5Z. On the outside and inside, they are interestingly enough not much different. The only difference is that the Zenfone 5, the cheaper version, comes with a Snapdragon 636 and the bigger version with a Snapdragon 845. What's also different is that the highest upgraded version of the 5Z comes with 8GB instead of 6GB of RAM. We do have the notch design, which we know from the iPhone X on the top. Even on the back, the design is very similar to the iPhone, with the positioning of the dual camera and the glass back. However, we also have a fingerprint sensor here. The main sensor is the Sony IMX363 with 12 megapixel, where the second sensor is a wide-angle sensor, which is great since we also like this mode with the LG V30, for example. With AI support, the AI recognizes 12 different scenes in auto mode to use the best possible settings. 4K 60fps videos are also supported and the portrait mode is also there. The AI is supposed to help accelerating certain processes and to charge the phone more efficiently. AI volume regulation and Zenmojis are also features of the phone. The Full HD Plus display is 6.2 inch inside a 5.5 inch body and is supposed to cover 90% of the front. It looks nice and it's pretty bright. Besides that, it runs with Zen UI 5.0 based on Android 8 Oreo, and the 3300 mAh battery should be enough for 1 or 2 days of use. What's interesting is that you can use 2 SIM cards and a microSD card at the same time. The 5Z, the high-end model, will be pretty inexpensive with €479. How much the cheaper model will cost is unclear for now. If you have questions about the Zenfone 5 and 5Z, ask them in the comment section. If you like this video, feel free to give us a like, otherwise the dislike button is right next to it. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future content. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Ümit for Mobile Geeks.